Hey everyone, it's me, here at PulsePix, and I'm absolutely stoked to have you join me for today's video. I've got something seriously groundbreaking to talk about, something that's going to shake up the world of content creation as we know it. I'm talking about Haiper, an AI video generation tool that's not only powerful but completely free. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, let's dive into what makes Haiper so incredible. It's not your average AI model, let me tell you. This thing is a powerhouse. With just a simple text prompt, an image, or even another video, Haiper can whip up high-quality 2-second video clips in a flash. It's like having a magic wand for video creation. Wondering how it works? It's seriously easy. You just give it your text prompt, toss in your image, or pick out a video, and let Haiper work its magic. It's like having your own personal video wizard. Now, let's take a look at some of the amazing stuff Haiper can conjure up. Whether you're after photorealistic animations, iconic characters, cartoon styles, breathtaking scenery, adorable chibi art, or a deep dive into fantasy realms, Haiper can do it all. And here's the kicker, it won't cost you a penny. Zero subscription fees, no hidden charges. Plus, the team behind Haiper is always cooking up something new. They're currently working on this cool feature called Video Expansion, which will let you extend your videos seamlessly. How cool is that? So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your creativity with Haiper. Check out the link in the description below to get started. That's a wrap for today, folks. If you loved what you saw, be sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and hit subscribe for more awesome content like this. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.